Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best plastic outdoor shed you can get your hands on, the 6x4FT Resin Outdoor Storage Shed by RichFire. Let's get straight into it. This shed is a smart and stylish solution for anyone needing extra outdoor storage space. Designed with a sleek, contemporary look, it blends seamlessly into your garden, backyard, or patio. Its neutral gray color isn't just practical, it's elegant, making it suitable for any outdoor setting without being an eyesore. The shed measures 6 feet by 4 feet, offering ample room to store everything from garden tools and equipment to outdoor cushions, bicycles, or even trash bins. Whether you're organizing seasonal decor or hiding away clutter, this shed is the right size, not too small, not overwhelmingly large. Now let's talk about durability. This isn't your average flimsy plastic shed. The RichFire Outdoor Storage Shed is crafted from high-quality resin, a plastic material known for being weather-resistant, low-maintenance, and long-lasting. It won't warp, crack, or peel under harsh sunlight, and it holds up impressively well in the rain, snow, or humidity. The panels are thickened for extra strength, so it doesn't feel cheap or fragile at all. One standout feature is its sloped, water drainage roof. This is not only functional but essential. Rainwater easily slides off, preventing leaks and pooling on top. You don't have to worry about rust, rot, or mildew either. This shed is all about weatherproof peace of mind. What's inside also counts. The RichFire shed includes built-in windows that let in natural light, so you're not fumbling around in the dark. There are also lockable double doors, giving you both security and wide access. You can roll in large items like lawnmowers or wheelbarrows with ease, then lock it all up safely. Flooring is another plus. This shed comes with its own resin base, so you're not placing it directly on dirt or grass. That means better protection for what's stored inside, added stability, and overall a more professional setup. Assembly is made to be manageable. The shed comes with clear instructions, labeled parts, and doesn't require any special tools. It's a DIY-friendly project for a weekend afternoon. RichFire has clearly focused on user convenience, low maintenance, and all-weather reliability. This shed is an ideal pick for homeowners looking for functionality without sacrificing aesthetics. In short, if you're looking for a sturdy, weather-resistant, and great-looking plastic outdoor shed, this 6x4FT option from RichFire absolutely deserves your attention. That's it for this review on Product Critique. If this sounds like the storage upgrade you've been looking for, check out the RichFire shed. It might just be your best backyard investment yet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next one.